Hello, my name is Miss Klein and I'm the band director here at the Exeter Township School District in Reading, PA. Today we are going to be working on Seven Nation Army on the baritone. Now, some baritones are upright and some are wrapped around. Mine is an upright baritone. So let's get started. We're going to go over the notes that we're going to use in the song, and then we'll try the song phrase by phrase, and then we'll put it together. The first note we're going to be playing is F. Go ahead and play that F again. And then you're followed by a higher note on first finger called A flat. Back to that F. Then E flat, also first finger but lower. And then we have a note called D flat, and that's 2 and 3. And that might be a new note for you. So let's try that note again. D flat. And finally we have C, which is 1 and 3. So let's go review those notes one more time. We have F, A flat, F, E flat, D flat, and C. The first part of the phrase we're going to learn is the first 4 notes. F, F, A flat, F. And the first F is 1.5 count. It is a dotted quarter note. Let's give that another try. 1, 2, ready, play. We're going to add a first finger after that going down low to an E flat. Let's try that again. F, F A flat, F E flat. Ready? Play. From there, we go to D flat and C. Let's give that a try. So now we're going to try the whole phrase. F, F A flat, F E flat, D flat, and C. First, before we play it, let's review all the notes we're doing. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and play. How did we do? Did you notice the next 2 measures is a repeat? And actually, the following 2 measures is also a repeat. So the phrase that we just learned, we're going to play 3 times total. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if we can play that phrase 3 times in a row. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. The fourth time starts very similarly in the beginning, but it changes. Listen to the change. So at the end, we have D flat, E flat, D flat, C. 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. But it should be a triplet, tripleta. Ready, and go. Let's try doing the last 2 measures, measure 7 and measure 8. 1, 2, here we go. How did we do? So now we're going to try the entire song, and notice there is a repeat. So we are going to play line measured 1 through 8, and then go back to measure 1 and play it again. Have fun with this. Keep a nice steady beat. 1, 2, F, go. I hope you found that tutorial useful. Keep practicing those new notes, A flat and D flat, and I'll see you on the stage. Bye until next time.